Hari ini kami menyaksikan puteri kesayangan kami memulakan fasa baru dalam hidupnya bergelar isteri. Fatin, sejak kecil hingga kini, kamu telah menjadi kebanggaan keluarga. Lembut hatimu, teguh pendirianmu dan besarnya rasa tanggungjawabmu telah membentuk dirimu menjadi wanita hebat yang kami sanjungi.
May I ask that I have your blessing for our marriage? I don't deserve it still, but I will do my best to live up to it and provide for her and support her through all of our life.
Connell is thoughtful and deliberate. He does not rush into things without deep consideration. Like Aman, he knows what he wants and what he does not want. It seems like only yesterday that I was changing Connell's diapers and rocking him to sleep. It has been wonderful to see him grow into the person he is.
Connell, thank you for loving our daughter, for embracing her completely, and for being kind and respectful to our family.
Hamparan permaidani sudah dibentang di laman kayangan si Indra Sari yang dinanti sudah pun datang. Inilah detiknya akad dipatri.
You say there's so much you don't know. You need to go and find yourself. You say you'd rather be alone. 'Cause you think you won't find it tied to someone else. Ooh, said it's true that the growing only happens on.
I love you. So excited for the next chapter of our lives here. I don't deserve you. I'm lucky to have you, but I don't deserve you. I'm just happy that today is coming out so well so far. This day you definitely deserve. I love you.
Warga kota telah bersedia. Doa harapan cinta terpatri melangkah di bawah limpahan cahaya. Saksikan tampannya Raja Sehari.
Grow as we go.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Connell Walter Wilson.
Yes, I am.
I'm solemnize you're married to my daughter Fatin Iman binti Ghazali with a mahar of 300 ringgit in full settlement.
I accept the marriage to Fatin Farhana Iman binti Ghazali with mahar of 300 ringgit in full settlement.
Said it's true that the growing only happens on your own. They don't know me and you.
Hari ini bukan saja penyatuan dua insan tetapi juga dua keluarga, dua budaya dan dua cara hidup yang saling melengkapi.
You can change right next to me.
Heidi and I are overjoyed that he wants Aman and that he has the determination and love to do and to learn all that is necessary to marry her. It is clear to me and to Heidi that Connell and Aman know how to love and cherish each other.
The trust and the iman in Connell will ensure, and it is very important to make sure that Connell will take care Fatin until the paradise, inshallah. All right, Connell. First question. Are you 100% sure that this lady here is your wife?
Yeah, I am 100% sure and 100% excited. I'm thrilled. This is a glorious day.
Not the person who sits next to her?
No, that's my mom. So that would be an odd one.
How are you doing? Okay, thank you for coming.
Kiss me, honey, honey, kiss me. Thrill me, honey, honey, thrill me. Don't care even if I
Cantiknya Fatin, persis bidadari, tertunduk malu menahan jelingan. Bakal dimahkota sebagai isteri, tampillah putri ke istana pelaminan.
If you come close, then I will show you how. Closer, closer now. Kiss me, honey, honey, kiss me. Thrill me, honey, honey, thrill me. Don't care even if I blow my top, but honey, honey, don't stop. We've never played this little game before. If you relax and you enjoy me, just settle down and let me teach you how. Closer, closer. Kiss me, honey, honey, kiss me. Thrill me, honey, honey, thrill me. Don't care even if I blow my top, but honey, honey, don't stop.
Belah berada.
Closer, closer.